Hey, good morning and happy Monday. Today is Monday, May 3rd. Did you have a good weekend? Hope so. Weather's warming up. I like the 80-degree temperatures that we're creeping into now, although today doesn't look too good. So what happened last week? Last week they caught the people who were involved in stealing Lady Gaga's dogs, and they shot the dog walker. Think about what happened in Israel at a religious event, no doubt. It seemed like it was just a simple case of somebody slipping on some metal stairs and it caused the cascade effect in a stampede. Oh, and hey, how about those Chicago Bears electing Justin Fields as their 2021 NFL draft pick to play quarterback? Today, our topic is going to be on Cobra and continuation. So let's talk about Cobra. And then we can talk about continuation. Here, Cobra continuation. Well, this is important if an employee leaves their employ. So employers, if you have to let an employee go for whatever reason, the reason doesn't matter. They've left your employ. What happens to their health insurance? This is where Cobra comes into play. Cobra is a federal law that applies when an employee leaves the employ. It allows the employee to maintain their health insurance. It can be maintained for a period of 18 to 36 months. And the premium that is charged will be the cost of the insurance that the employee has always paid, plus the employer's portion, plus an administrative fee of 2%. Employees have 60 days to exercise their Cobra benefits. Premium has to be paid back because a lot of employees will wait that 60 days, but it has to be paid back to the time that the Cobra would have gone into play. So here's something to consider. If you're going to wait the full 60 days, you most likely are going to find yourself having to pay 3 months premium right away. That would be the first month, the first 30 days, the second 30 days, the second month, and the next 30 days going forward. So be prepared for that because that can be a big surprise to a lot of people. That 2% that you have to pay, that's just an administrative fee. Nobody's getting rich off of 2%. Now let's look at continuation. Continuation is for employers with 19 or fewer employees. It is something that is called Mini Cobra, and it is run more by the states, and there are different provisions for each state. For example, here in Illinois, if the employee dies or retires, there are different provisions that are applicable for dependent spouses and children. So here's a concern. We now have the Affordable Care Act. So with the Affordable Care Act and guaranteed issue health insurance, why would you exercise Cobra or continuation? Well, that's a great question. The answer to that question is you may have already met your deductible. You may have already met your out-of-pocket. So at that point, when you've met those two, your health care for the rest of the year from an insurance perspective should be for free if you stay within the networks. So that would be one reason why. Another thing people will say to me is I'm not going to exercise Cobra or continuation or even go to the Affordable Care Act because you know what, I have insurance that will be picking up due to a new employment in a month or 2 or 3 or 4. That's what a temporary policy is for. Temporary policies are not guaranteed issue. They do not cover pre-existing conditions, but it's a good bridge from point A to point B. So those are reasons why maybe you would not want to exercise your Cobra or your continuation benefits. All this sounds kind of confusing, and you know what? It might be, and it might be hard to determine what's in your best interest. So to figure that out, on the bottom of the screen, you can give me a phone call. Be more than happy to talk to you about it. You can call the number on the back of your ID card and talk to the insurance company about it. You can talk to the people at your human resources department at your employer. Those are all good resources, excellent to assist you in making the decision that is in your best interest. So the question is, what's going on here at the MLD agency? Last week we started working on 2 groups for their renewal for this year. We were able to assist 3 people with their marketplace health insurance. The marketplace is a little bit more liberal with their definition of incomes and all. So don't hesitate to give me a call at the bottom of the screen. Be more than happy to review your insurance with you and see if we can help you save some premium dollars this year. Unfortunately, this week we did lose somebody due to COVID-19. Very surprised, a younger person in their very early 40s. So let's keep that family in our thoughts and prayers. And for the rest of us out there, let's hope that you got your vaccine. More than half the adults in this country now have gotten at least one shot on the vaccine. Let's wear our masks, let's practice social distancing, and stay safe out there so we can have a bright and better future tomorrow.